Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal. With God on our side, we shall win. Let's heal. Love conquers all. I love you.
Greetings, Dumelang Lochani, Sanbonani Emakaya. Welcome back to season 2 of Let's Heal Together. Guys, we are definitely back and we are here, Namaqiniso, this time around. We are here to look ourselves in the mirror and reflect. We are here to look the pain straight in the eye and telling the pain that it's not going to defeat us. We have strength to beat it at all odds. And then, Mom, before we even start, I just wanted to appreciate everyone, the past season, even the last episode of the past season, Bafwetu, it took everything of me, that episode, it took everything of me. And I literally had to go back to the past wounds because of a lot of healing was being done. A lot of healing was taking place, just to put it mildly. But I had to go back because of bengifuna unikhombisa ikhambo lakadudu, bengifuna unikhombisa ikhambo lam lepilo. I remember in the Bible, uJesu wathi after he was crucified and the wounds and everything, I remember uThomas wathi, but I want to see your wounds and make sure that is you. And uJesu wathi, it is me. So bengifuna ukunikhomba ukuthi uMama Bhuma is just as wounded as everyone else, but lucky enough for me, I took therapy serious, mndeni wami. Okay, with God, obviously, we pray everything, but I took the first step towards healing. And the emphasis, it's on healing, Bafowethu. As I'm saying, come, let's heal together. I want us to do the healing together because of Nami. I wanted to show you all at home that healing was necessary and healing was done. So ekhambeni lam lepilo bafowethu, it didn't mean that I didn't have a story to tell. With that being said, it doesn't mean that I'm still bitter. It doesn't mean that I'm still angry to my mom like everyone was thinking. No, bafowethu. Some other wounds we prefer to close them, ngoba zibuhlungu nje, and when you tap back, those emotions come back. But it doesn't mean that healing has not been done. Mina, I'm one person. I'm taking my healing journey very seriously. So hence I say to everyone, this new season, come, let's heal together. We are no longer going to be silent. We are going to look ourselves in the mirror and look at the reflection of ourselves, becoming better each and every day. Okay. And another thing I want to say, thank you for the comments. I did see the comments. I read all the comments. Everyone in the groups of prayers that I'm attending. I went even Nakukwezi, Bafowethu, and everyone is seeing the importance of this podcast. So I'm saying, Bafowethu, thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for sharing. And the new ones, welcome home. Thank you. You chose the right space to be. This is a safe space. This is where you want to be, because it's safe. We get relaxed, we talk, and we take out the pain gradually until the day that you feel good. No pain is given space in my heart. The emphasis, it's on healing, mndeni wami. We must do the healing. And how do we do the healing? Stand up, take the first step towards your healing journey. It's not going to be easy. A lot is going to happen throughout the journey. Be intentional. As I said, I think way back, season 1, hurt people. People are bleeding on each other. People are taking everything out of context because of balimele, so asipoleni, asikhulume namaqiniso. Let's stop running away from the truth. So this season, come, let's heal together with myself, uMama Bhuma bafowethu. We are going to do proper healing. And, if you want to come, share your story, share your experience. We are here. Our studio, it's ready for you. Mtwana Sekaya, numbers are always on the bottom of the screen. You can really do yourself a favor. And asicedeni ne-syndrome yokuthi abantu bazothini, asicedeni ne-syndrome yokuthi ngiyasaba. It won't help you, sithandwa sami. You need healing. And my hand is stretched out. I want to take you step by step towards your healing journey. Welcome to season 2 of Let's Heal Together with Umam Mapuma. Let's be international. Mndeni wami, sizokhuluma amaqiniso ngendlela angakhona. Back to today's episode. Ngithini? You know, one thing about life, I always say to people, life is the best teacher. That's what I always tell people. Ukuthi ayikhululeka, impilo izomfundisa ukuthi impilo yona iungubani. You know, life comes, life takes, and if you keep on standing up, ithathe impilo, usukume impilo ithathe, usukume, and it means that you are beyond strength. And we have a special lady today that is really going to take us through the journey of, you know, the repeatant, continuous taking away. But namhlanje khona uhlezi nathi la, and she's willing to share her experience so that umuntu osekhaya oqalileko uthi hayi man, lo sesiluma kakhona ungidlula, hayi bafowethu nami ngiyandlula. Let's welcome her. Hi sisi, kunjani? Ngiyaphila. All right?
Yeah. Okay, right. All right.
Mina, I'm okay, you know, and you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Let's start by introducing yourself. Wena ungubani?
Igama lami nguNtombi wakwaSikhosana.
Yes, mama.
Hlala ePitiskrale A, KwaNdebele.
Okay. Okay. So, Untombi, have you grown up in a mother and a father home, like the structure? Ukhule unabazali, mommy was there, daddy was there.
Yes. Ngikhuliswe mangizalwa vele umama mbeseka semshadweni.
Okay, good.
Ngizalwe umama nobaba mvele bakhona sebasemshadweni.
Okay. And you had siblings? Nabo sisi, nabo bhuti, beningakhi?
Benginabo sesabayi-4. But now sengisele no-1.
Okay, so you guys were 5.
We were 5.
Okay.
Yes.
So now nisele ni-2.
Sisele siyi-2.
No mama, no baba.
No.
Mami.
Sisele siyi-2 no sesam.
Like literally ni-2. Untombi.
Yes.
But Untombi bekantombazane enjani ekhulayo lapha ePitiskrale? ePitiskrale, I also know it. How was growing up ePitiskrale?
Growing up ePitiskrale, even though ama opportunities were mancane, but it was fun.
Yes.
It was fun.
In a sense of what? Why? What made it so fun?
You know, ePitiskrale is a very small community.
Okay.
Everybody knows everybody.
All right.
So, just being in an environment that siyazana and all that, I think kumnandi. And even crime was never an issue. So, sakhula kamnandi thina.
Is it? So now, as we are saying, Guti, you were 5 siblings and mommy and daddy was there. So obviously, nikhuliswe ngothando, clearly. There was enough love, you know, there was enough stability at home, there was enough safety. Ne? All of those were there. Good, because yeah, we are struggling as Black communities, isichota khulu ngothando. You know, immediately when other people ask, Guti, did you receive enough love at home? And umntwana or whoever is not even sure what to make. Ukuthi yini uthando.
Exactly.
Yes, I'm glad you know what is love. So now we are here today because of the loss, you know, the continuous loss, you know, the repetition of loss. So can you take us back to the first loss?
I lost my dad go 2000. Bengekho mdala kangako. But I remember nje izinto ezazenzeka that day. We just woke up nje ebusuku. My mom was up and down. And my father alele lapha ngaphandle. We were just told ukuthi ubaba has passed on. It was around bekungo-August.
Ukulala kunjani ntombi?
Like he was just sleeping there because my mom said he was complaining ukuthi uzwa ukuchisa.
So it was during the day.
It was during the night. Bekezwa ukuchisa, so he wanted direct contact with ifluru.
Okay.
Ukuthola that coldness.
Okay.
Yes. So basithatha basibisela ngendlini, I guess, just to protect us from seeing further izinto ezingasi right. And then that's when my mom came into our room. Mina nosesami ngimlandelako. Azositshela ukuthi ubaba akasekho.
Just like that.
Just like that.
He was a strong man before the next thing.
Yo. Baba was very strong. He was very strong. One of a kind. Ubaba mi beka father of the nation. Ubaba mi was helping people.
Oh, okay.
Ubaba beka ne construction company.
Okay.
Yeah. So whereby he employed mostly vele abantu
baserawundini. Yeah.
Nje the way begenza ngakhona bengibona ukuthi most families uyawanakekela.
Oh, shame.
Even nama relatives. He made sure ukuthi bahlale ba right. He tried.
Yes. So ubaba initially I can say ubaba was a community builder. Ungavumelana nami ngitsho njalo?
I can say that because
ubaba firstly thought of people around him. Abomakhelwane, you know, to strengthen the small community. Angisho yasho ukuthi ekhaya it's a small community. So ubaba before maybe if ever he got a contract, he didn't wanted to please people in town. Bekasuka nabantu bakhe la ahambe ayoba enricher.
Exactly.
I hear you. So yini into ngaphandle kwalokho ukuthi ubaba took care of everyone around and all of that. What made you to think ukuthi I like this quality ngobaba?
Yo ubaba bekasithanda.
There is girls ne?
Unconditionally. Ubaba bekasithanda. Bekasithanda. Nomawe nje ithando lakhe very loud.
Good. Beningalingabazi ne? Good.
Thina nasikhula kube sibantwana laba abambatha abo BG. Do you remember those shops? Abo Smart Center. Yes. Abo Sales House. Yes.
Ngicoma country dress. Yes, girl. Wow, Daddy made a good thing.
Yes.
So already with your first loss, I can hear that was a loss. And now, kukhamba njani? Okay, ubaba ushonile and then impilo seyiba njani ngendlini ke? Baba kasekho, the breadwinner, the community builder, akasekho ubaba Sikhosana, and what now? What's the moving forward part?
Uyayazi that we have to adjust like nje. Yeah.
Now.
Now nje funeke nikhule ni adjusted to the different life that you are about to embark from here going forward. Izinto change. Now akusena any income engena kwekhaya.
From 100 to 0, girl.
From 100 to straight to 0. Not even 50, 30, 20, no. Straight to 0. You can just imagine.
Guys.
Yo. I can say ipilo yangikhulisa ngisesemncane. Yeah.
Because of losing your dad, you had to women up now.
Exactly. Sesesikolweni mina nokudlulisa bengingakadlulisi bengingakenzi
isiko lekhaya.
Bengingakenzi isiko. But fortunately i-firstborn yekhaya bese kaqedile isikolo, ubaba bami bese kamfundisile bese kane angisakhumbuli bababuza ini i-teaching le diploma in teaching. Yes.
Those
yayithola le Ndebele College of Education esiyabuswa
ACE or yeah, something like that. Yes.
And ukukhamba kwesikhathi wathola umbereko and then things, okay, she started working at ABET.
Okay.
Yeah.
That adult centers.
Yes. Kwaba nomehluko nesiko ngalenzelwa nguye.
Okay, usesomdala.
Yes,
okay, that's good.
Kwathoma kwaba nomehluko lapho.
Okay.
But ke bengeke akhavare
yokindo
zonke izinto ngikhaya.
Makes sense.
But kwaphileka.
She tried.
She tried her best, her level best.
Okay, so now after ubaba sekuzabani, what's now the second loss that you clearly we know that we are definitely going to narrate the loss today. So
go 2001.
Okay, you say 2000 ubaba uyasho.
Yes.
2001, yes, just a year
2001 umntwana kasesami wase waphuma nje. Phuma kwakhe kwakusikhathi sengoma.
Okay.
Waphuma wayokubukela ngale ngehlathini. Makabuya ubuya ubhejuliwe akwaziwa ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mabathi bayamvusa bekaphuma amagwebu ngomlomo.
Inleyo manje.
Bafuna ikoloyi ukuthi bamsa eVaterfall Clinic. eVaterfall bathi umuntu lo kade angasekho.
Hayi ntombi sichasele kahle umntana uphumile manje phambi kwenu. And then how many minutes?
Waphuma right.
How many minutes later?
It was even less than 2 hours.
How old was the boy?
Bekana 4, 5. Yeah. Kwaka 98. Yes, kwaka 98. So 2001, I think he was 3 or.
Okay, whatever. Yeah, sizabe senza amaphutha.
Yes.
Bekaphume nobani? Clearly the child wouldn't have went away.
Bekaphume with my younger sister from uSongwana.
Okay.
Umntwana kaSongwana. And naye bekasesemncane. Just bayaphuma nje bayokubukela le lava nesibukele khona.
Okay.
And then that's what happened.
Umntwana kasekho.
Yes. Gone just like that.
Yeah, wena. No explanation, nothing.
No explanation, no nothing. Naloya mntwana she can't even explain what happened. And then we went on, 2005.
Okay.
That's when I lost my mom.
Sure.
Oh,
Sorry, man. I know it is very hectic. Guys, loss can cripple you before it. You know one thing about loss? It can happen over and over, but we never get used to it. That's loss. That's grief. Makunywa grief. Ukunywa kutu, you know, you go through the same thing and you never get used to the same thing. Okay, fast forward to 2005.
2005. Kwapupuma. Bengisathethe i-gap year ngaleso sikhathi. Ngacomplete i-matric ngo-2003. Ngahlala ekhaya 2004, 2005. That's when umawe azoshiya emhlabeni. Kwabe ukuthi-ke now uyazibuza ukuthi where to from now. Ngiyaphi ukusuka la?
No mother.
Because bengithi nangibuya esikolweni or nangibuya la ngibuya khona. Mawe nangu.
Yes.
So ngiyokubiza banje. Okay. Kwaba ngcono. Angazi asengithi kwaphileka ukusuka lapho because iminyaka beyilokhu ikhamba.
I guess you learned to live with the
You
grief.
just learn to live with the pain.
Yes.
You just learn to live with the pain. And then ngo-2019 walala usesami omkhulu, i-firstborn. Kwalala usesami bekaya esondweni kusebusuku. We don't know what happened, but we were called ekuseni. Ikolo yakhe yatholwa ingene ehlathini.
Usesi bekabereka. Ngiloya musa
Nguloya, yes, bese ka teacher vele seka permanent.
Yeah, ngiloya wa take the responsibility after ubaba.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay, the firstborn now.
The firstborn.
Okay.
Bese kachadile nokuchata.
Okay. So uma kachadile, who is now before angisho ushadile and still dad was not there. So how were you guys making ends meet now? Ngoba umuntu uyazwachata, I think we all know ukuthi sengwalapho ngwasemzini akuseselula.
Yes, okay. Abo sesami laba bayi2, number 2 and number 3. Bangena kwi company bathi i-Table Charm.
Okay.
They were selling i-Table Charm.
Lokho kwangendlini izitsha amakopi nani. Yes.
And then low was 3 beka thengisa i-Table Charm. Laba ba testa kwi clinic.
Counselors.
I forgot the name.
Yeah.
Asebenza ne clinic, so yes.
So lokho was bringing at least income ngendlini. Okay, so
Yes.
usesi okwakhe taking care of her home, but at least ngendlini kuyaphileka. Ngabe usesi laba bayi2. Good.
Naye bekeza usithengela ipuphu, uthenga isitshebo, azange asilahle.
Good.
Azange asilahle. So watholakala ekseni ikoloyi ingene ehlathini, but bekasaphila.
Okay. Who's calling?
Shothi she spent the night there.
Phone yakhe ipi? Who called you guys?
Some kwaba nabantwana aba recognize ikoloyi yakhe.
Okay.
Basho bafunda la bekafundisa khona.
Oh.
So bathi ikoloyi le yangi yaka mem. So they called omunye umsana bekarente kwakhe kwasesam usesam bekanamaroom awarentisako kwakhe.
Okay, good.
They called him bathi umem uphi because bayibona from a distance. Wathi hayi ukhamba izolo uye esondweni. Wathi hayi man kunekari ehlathini siyifanisa neyakhe. Babagijima beza nguye.
But she's still alive in the car.
She was still alive, but bekangenwe makhaza. Like she was shaking. And uyazi i-airbag so loko imvalele the whole night.
Oh, yemo man.
She couldn't move. Okay, yamthatha i-ambulance.
Okay.
Mletha ngapha ePitori eGeorge Marie. Okay, George Marie bamshifta bamusa eMedforum.
Wenzani
It was on Tuesday. Wednesday when we received
phone call.
Yes.
Sekashonile.
Baba phonela. I was a nursing mother ngaleso sikhathi. So bafona bathi beze esibhedlela. Ekseni mina ngize ngiyavuka ngisumntwana eclinic for immunization.
Your child, okay.
Yes. Mangise clinic ngibona usesam lowest 2. Uyafika eclinic. Uthi uzongilanda. Why ungilanda? So bekangafuni ukungitshela because I'm asthmatic. Bekasaba ukuthi maybe I will have a scene or what, okay? But bagcina sebangichazela and then they okay, sakhamba. And vele nasifika vele emzini wakhe emzini ngasesami. That's when vele ngibona ukuthi ya ukhambile really.
I seem to be lost, Yasmina. Okay. She went church, I think that was weekend, ne?
Bekuyi Saturday night.
Okay, Sunday utholakala ehlathini.
Yes.
Rushed to hospital via the ambulance. Now the Wednesday she passes away.
Yes.
So literally like few days.
Azange aqede neveke esibhedlela. Few days.
And you guys didn't want some answers from esibhedlela ukuthi yabona ukuthi kwayenzakalani and all of that.
But ungenwe makhaza kakhulu and then affecta my kidneys wakhe. Yes, my kidneys wakhe abenenkinga. Then I think they shut down or something. That's when we lost her. Yes.
Yo. Yet you managed after that.
We soldier on. Okay. That week, my daughter bekahlanganisa 1 year. Okay, it was 2019. Go 2021. Usesami lowest 3. Washonelwa mntwana. Well, lowest 2. Washonelwa mntwana godi.
Ntombi.
Bese kasemshadweni.
Okay. Ushona njani umntwana? Take your time.
He was shot. Bekana 8 years.
Umntwana omncane 8 years ushotwe ngubani? Udubule ngubani?
He shot himself.
Asikhulumeni kahle. Umntwana ona 8 uyosibamba njani isibamba? pistol, I think that thing is so heavy. Even Gwamina, well, I've never touched it. But really, ispam window into akonakali.
You know, it was on the 25th of February. Kusasa kwakhona bekuyi-birthday yami. Apparently, ekhaya they were planning a surprise party for me. Nami I was planning something for myself esayidini. So my sister uyafona.
The third sister now.
No, the mother of the deceased ngaleso sikhathi always two.
Okay.
Uthi kunomakhelwane ofonileko. Uthi abantwana bayalwa ngibawa nikhambe niyokucheck ekhaya. Sesamlowes 2 asithathe sikhambe. Masifika lapha siyathola kugcwele abantu. And then there's something lapha phansi evaliwe. So
Okay, let's backtrack a bit. Usesi ufona ukuphi?
oh bebasentolo. Bebase Bronkhorstspruit entolo. Nasifika lapha, when we got closer, masivula.
Kilo were 8 years. Did you get the story who shot him?
No, the story was he shot himself.
Sure. Okay, so umntwana uzidubulile, and how do you guys move beyond that? Nindlula njani esigamukweni singaka esibhlungu kangaka? How do you guys move beyond that now as a family? And umama khona uyithatha njani indaba le? Remember umama bekasebhrongora ngisho. And then nina manifika niyamfonela nimtshelo niyamlinda naye afike azobona naye inkinga ekhona ekhaya.
Samlinda wafika.
Okay.
Imagine seeing your sister like crying ngathi she's losing her mind. That picture vele ayisuke engqondweni nami.
It's forever there, ne?
I remember she was calling my name. Athi Ntombi. Ntombi umsanami. Oh wow.
And you couldn't bongas nokuthi ungamcomforta
There was nothing I could do.
Even the comfort part, you really didn't know what to do or how to comfort her, I'm very sure. Sure, man.
Hey. Bekusikhathi esinzima. Like kwakubuhlungu.
Yo, I can imagine. Hey, man. Okay. So, yeah. Naleyo naye accepta nayo iyandlula.
Sangwaba. Kwadlula. It was 2021. Kwadlula 2022. Ngo-2022 abosesi bami lo ngimlandelako nalo wes3
okay
bathoma bagula
twice.
Yes, bebagula ngokufana, like lo nakalila ngehloko nalo ulila ngehloko.
Wena
Lo nakathi kubhlungu la nalo same place.
Okay, but the other one ukwakhe angitsho.
Yes,
the other one ulayikhaya.
One,
and funny enough abasinasendaweni eyi-1 mara balila ngento efanako.
Exactly.
Guys, I'm even
lo wes3 waze wayo admitwa.
Okay, lokwakhe usesochadileko.
Yes, usesochadileko. Waze wayo-admithwa eMedforum.
Okay.
And then lo engimlandelako bekakhona ekhaya. You can imagine ukusuka uchiya umuntu ogulako ngendlini ukhamba uyocheck omunye esibhedlela.
Konje ntombi akusana mama. Mama kekho literally kusele wena nalo.
Sino sesami lo wes3.
Yo. Bafowethu.
Usesami lo wes3 naye bese kachadile. Mina nalo ngimlandelako besisele siyi2 ekhaya.
Yeah.
Bekamthatha aye naye le kwakhe ekhaya kwakhe ayokuhlala naye lapho. Mina ngikhamba every day. Bengiye ePitori. Sichenjana nosesami. Kwaba nenye inyanga whereby usesami fell into a coma for the whole month.
Zokubetha wena yazi.
You just get there ukhulume wedwa.
Yeah, because I think that's what they normally say. Ukuthi talk they hear, ne?
Yes.
Wena sofika nje uyakhuluma ke.
Yeah. Uyakhuluma.
Okay.
2022. 2023. NgoJanuary.
Okay.
I witnessed usesami engimlandelako took her last breath.
Lo sele naye ngendlini.
Yes.
Kwenzakaleni lapho?
Bekasagula.
Okay.
When I woke up ngiyomhlola.
Obungalali naye at the same room.
Bekalala nomntwana wakhe omntazana.
Okay.
Nangiyomhlola ekuseni, I found her shaking. Athuzwa amakhaza.
Okay.
So umntwana wakhe omntazana uthi, and she's been like this like
the whole night.
Yes. Why bo ungangivusi? While ngifonela usesami ngithi bese kahlala lekha kwakhe. Ngifonela usesami, hey iza. Sizokuthatha usesami lo simuse noma kuphi clinic or what. Bese kuyimpilo yethu vele leyo. We would wake up ebusuku. Bengihlala ngisemabhankeni eclinic. Sometimes transferela esibhedlela. Ngena ku-ambulance kumakhaza kuyachisa, you go there. Bese kuyipilo vele siyiphilako le.
That was your norm now. Bese sekujwayele ukuthi. But you know what? Something is striking me, Sissy. Okay, mommy is no longer there. Daddy is no longer there. You know, just for interest sake, abomani, bomamkhulu, where is the family when you guys are going through so much?
Bebakhona.
They will just pop in now ngalesikhathi abakhona ngazo. Okay. Okay, now fast forward to now this life yama ambulance yasemabhankeni eclinic, you know, so ujwayele vele sekuyipilo yaleso sikhathi. That's the current situation.
And one day galelo langa ngisazilungisa mina sithi siyamthatha sinosesami. When I turned around bekalele embedeni. Kambona, it's like ngathi she was choking, so kanti she was taking her last breath.
Is that the gasp they talk about? About umuntu taking the last breath, they gasp or something like that?
That it stays here.
Don't be.
into ehlala isengqondweni,
Yeah.
like iyohlala ilapho,
Yeah.
it resides engqondweni.
Seyithole nendawo epermanent lapho ngaphakathi.
Exactly.
Madoda.
Seeing her enza lokho akwenzako, and then after some time kwathula kwathi tu.
Where's the baby girl by then? Umntwanakhe.
Omkhulu bekakhona, bebange-dining room.
No, angisho when you say you witness your sister. And the whole night bekalele nomntwana komntazana. So at that moment, with you experiencing that, where was the child?
Bebase-dining room.
So in the room, it was you and her.
Bekungimnaye.
Okay.
Bese sizilungisa ukuthi mhlawumbe yes. I remember I was looking for my shoes. Bengizuma amanyathelo engingawambatha so that sizokhamba simuse eklinika. Mangisagugubele lapha ngizwa strange noise like coming from mangithi ngiyajika. Yo,
Picture that you can't delete.
you can't delete that. Mangibiza usesami fika lapha. Kuba ngathi libhudango. Ungathi nje you will wake up. Kuthi uyayivuka. Why are you screaming? Uyabhudanga. And then shut her down like kwangathi nje impilo yami iyajama. And then ukuthi ngibone ukuthi this is really happening. I think my sister went dining room ukuyobazisa abantwana. Ngase ngaphaphamiswa the scream from umntwanakhe. That's when it sinked in ukuthi I've lost my twin. Mina naye besibizana my twin. Sesame ngimlandelako. Like we are Irish twins. That's when click at this thing ukuthi Ntombi, your twin is no more. And ngaleso sikhathi ke bese kabereka naye. Sekunguye ocalileko ekhaya. Sinabantwana sinaye. Bekungisesiloya uthi kuphi kunomtshato awufuni irogo na uyokumbathani. And then you come with 3 different dresses. Athi order way 3. I will pay.
Listen here.
I remember nakaceda ukuthola umbereko. I think bekuyi second month yakhe abereka. Wathi asikhambise ePitori. Seza la ePitori. Besikhamba nosesami wesi2. So sifike lapha eSemi Max. Wangena ngespeed. And then she called me. Wangitshengisela inye sandals, ama-sandals amanye so. Amahle. Wathi ama-sandals la anjani? And I said, oh, nice. Azokufanela. Wathi okay. Color le blue right, ama-sandals we Lacoste. I said, yeah, all right, athatha azokufanela. Then ngaphuma. Ngabuyela kusesami lo omunye. Uthe makaphuma. Makeza kimi wanginikeza the paper bag yespeed. Wathi bamba ngikuthengele. Athi ungithengeleni mangithi ama-sandals la. She didn't buy them for her. for herself.
She was just making sure that
She was just making sure
yeah.
ukuthi ngizowathanda na. Yo. And she was gone. Just like that.
So now, the one that osekhaya has passed, lawyer usesesibhedlela.
Now, uyazi thina abantu abanzima like nakunomngcwabo kuyaphithizela. When the phone rings, funeke ngigijime ngiye endleleni. Ukuthi angezwa ukuthi ekhaya like kugcwele abantu and stuff.
Okay, sekaphumile kukhoma.
Yes.
Okay.
Sekaphumile wahlala only 1 month.
Okay.
Ukuthi wasingamtsheli because izodelaya ukuphola kwakhe, i-recovery yakhe. Okay. I think she felt it.
She sensed it. Yeah.
Yes. Uphi abuze ngosesamo uyaphola mara. Imtshele ukuthi mdele siphole yazi. Mdele siphole nami ngizokuphola ngibuye ekhaya. Ukuphi ngithi ngisekhaya athi kwathula kangaka la ukhona ngithi hayi athi bapha abantwana ngithi hawa basaya esikolweni. Kwadlula bengingafuni nje nakancane into ezojeopardize i-healing yakhe.
Yeah.
Yabona? So sathi masiyombona after sesingcwabile. Okay, kwaba nomuntu omtshelako even today we don't even know ukuthi ngibani loyo. She called me and
after the funeral.
Yes. Why ningifihlela? Then I have to explain ukuthi it was decided ukuthi singakutsheli ngoba
you also need to heal.
Yes, and esibhedlela beba lokho ba complaina nge-blood pressure yakho. Ukuthi ihlala iphezulu. The last time ngiyombona esibhedlela sathi nasingenako, I remember this one particular sister. Ngase ngithi nguye owavala the gap kimi. Yokuthi anginama.
Okay.
Bekangithanda njengomntwana wakhe.
The one that is in hospital now.
The one that was in hospital.
Okay.
Bekangiphatha njengomntwana wakhe.
Okay.
Abantwana bami bekabathanda njengabantwana bakhe. Like ithando lakhe was really unconditionally towards me. Ukuthi nangingabala izinto angenzele zona empilweni. Yo.
You can't even mention them.
I can't even mention them.
That's true love, eh? Sibling love.
Zinengi. Zinengi.
I want to ask you the coping mechanism. Let's also touch on that.
Okay. I remember bese kungo-March. Siyomhlola esibhedlela. Bekuyi-Monday. Siyomhlola esibhedlela ngikhamba nobaba kwakhe.
Okay, just to backtrack. Lo bekasekhaya shone February, right?
January. Kuno February.
Phakathi in between. Okay.
Yes. Sakhamba masithi lapha kutsamaya kwangena i-call.
Senbuya umbona, you guys are going.
Siyaya.
You're still going to her.
Still going there. Nikuphi, we waiting for you. Before siyofika, I think bafona kayi-10.
Yeah.
Yes. Mase bafona kokugcina bathi yazi asazi ukuthi isithini nje sesiba ukunitshela iqiniso.
Kana nibatshela ukuthi niyeza nabo amakhola amaningi kangaka.
Bathi the person esifona ngaye akasekho. Usishiye emhlabeni ngabo past 9 ekuseni.
Sikhathi bani lapho?
Bekungabo 11, 12 so.
So bathi niyangena. They're impatient.
Safika lapha basingenisa eroomini lakhe bathi sibanifike masinyana because we want to disconnect everything. Everything that was connected on her. We want to disconnect. We can't disconnect ingakafiki. Safika and she was just laying there peacefully. Ngabona ukuthi like azange ngibone yena. Ngabona iboda lami ebengizame ngalo lilele phasi. Umuntu ebengikhona ukukhuluma naye nga each and everything.
Man, sisi.
Yo. Ngathi ya. Ukuthi kuphelile ke. Samngcwaba, umngcwaba ke waba ke birthday yomntwanami 18 March. Samngcwaba. And from there impilo iyachange. Siyakhula. But kubhlungu mina esayidini lami because angikhuliswa ngaminyaka ukuthi sengimdala. Ngikhuliswe zizimo engihlangabezene nazo along the way. Ufunda okukhulu. Ufunda ukuvalela ama feelings wakho ukuthi ukwazi ucabangela ama feelings wabanye abantu. While wakho wathethe wavalele ebhodlelweni. Uyawasuppressa. Ufunda ukubamba inyembezi zakho not to fall. Because ungafuni certain people like abantwana bakubone ukuthi you are breaking down, like ufuna ukulila and stuff. Mina I'm a bookworm. I read books. That's what keeps me sane. I read diaries. One ngafunda incwadi. Ingqondo wami
relax.
relax.
Yeah, that's good.
Ngangena eroomini lami. Ngavulela ingoma yegospel. Ngalila. Inyembezi maziphela. Ngiba ngathi ngizalwe kabusha.
You get new strength.
Exactly. That's where I get my strength. I posted your invitation ku status sam. And this one of omunye usesi kuma contacts wami wathi she sent me a voice note. Wathi yazi Ntombi mina uyangithusa. Uyangithusa like after everything that happened. Angazi ukuthi wenza njani.
Yes.
Because ushonelwe ngubaba washonelwa ngubhuti bobhuti abayi-2 yena wathi and after that I am not coping. I am not coping. Ngathi yazi sesi nami ngiyazithusa ngokwami. Nami ngiyazithusa ngokwami. But
you know, they normally say uJehova ngeke akuphe umthwalo ozokuhlula. You know, I think God knew ukuthi you'll be able to cope. Yes, it's painful, everything that you went through, but you know, uJehova ukubonile ukuthi this pressure untombi will be able to stand the heat. You know, I think we spoke several times, and Wamina, I think I told you that I can't believe you're such a strong young woman, you know, for the fact that you always look beautiful, for the fact that you smile endlessly. It's a shock. You know, for me, it's a shock. But not forgetting ukuthi Jehovah uthi lean on me. So, you know, take the wall of God and lean on it, sis. Kubuhlungu, and go on your knees. You know, pray to God. I know sometimes you don't even know how to pray. I know.
Uyaguqa uzwe njengemhlathi seyimanzi. Ulile maceda ngithi amen ngene ngubeni.
And you know what? Those tears are a communication to God. Those tears says a lot to God. You know, zibambezele ngaye mntwana ekhaya. There's no other thing that you can do other than leaning on God. You know, as I'm saying, to lean on God. And, you know, with that being said, I understand your diary sessions that you read. I understand your room thing. Normally other people, they substitute their pain. You know, it has never happened.
Kwenzekile. I-pain yami bengi-substitute nge-alcohol. Bese ngisela like almost every day.
Just to
Angibuye
numb.
esibhedlela, I want something to drink.
Just to numb
Just
the
to
pain.
numb the pain.
Yeah.
Ngifike ekhaya ngilale. It happened until kuze kushona usisi wami lo washona January. Yes. Nasimngcwabako, I was still drinking.
Yeah.
But ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngabona ukuthi I'm using a wrong tool.
Yes. I mean, uyasela.
Yes.
So you become sober.
Yes.
The pain is still there.
Because I would say kuyafana musi ngiyathenga ngiselele ekhaya. But ukuya nokuya ngizobona ngathi man abungidaki kuhle nangisekhaya. Angiphume ngiyoselela somewhere.
Okay.
Uyabona? So ngathi indlela le ngithethe indlela wrong.
Yeah, it's not designed for you.
Fortunately kwathola ukuthi mhlawumnye the addiction beyingakakhiki in kangako.
Okay.
Yes. And ngalisa
Good.
ukulilela etshwaleni.
Good.
Yes, ngalisa ukulilela etshwaleni. Ngibona ukuthi I've witnessed abantu ababerekisa the wrong tools to fight their demons or
Try and cope.
yes, trying to cope. And it didn't end well. It didn't end well with them. So I'm thankful to God.
Yes.
ukuthi,
Amen.
through all that, ukwazile ukungithwala. Ukuthi nomuntu osazo experience lokhu mina esengidlule kiko azi ukuthi life is worth living. You learn to live nalobo buhlungu lobo.
Okay.
Abukho ubuhlungu obuzokushonisa phasi ukuthi nje akakavuki ngoba basho kwaba buhlungu If you feel like you don't want to wake up, make sure ukuthi uyavuka. Make sure ukuthi uyavuka. Elinye nelinye ilanga uliphile the way liza ngakhona. Mina I'm one person ke angizithwali inkinga zami ehloko.
Okay.
That's why you say you always see me smiling. That's me.
You don't look like your problems.
I don't. I don't. Angifuni vele.
Yes.
Angifuni vele because ngikhulisa
Abantwana.
Abantwana baya adapt. They easily adapt. So if you come out weak, phambi kwabo bazocabanga ukuthi vele impilo ufuneka ibe njalo.
Okay. So you are showing them that you need to be strong.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's not wrong. Ukufila ubuhlungu, the pain and stuff.
To go through different emotions.
Yes. Akukho wrong.
Okay.
But ungakulisi kukugandelela.
No, right. Rise above it.
Rise above your problems. Rise above your pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hear you.
And nwazi ukuthi the only strength that you will get is from the one above.
Jehovah.
Exactly.
Abeyisekelo sethu.
Every day.
No, Mama. Ntombi, you are one strong woman. You are one strong mama that I know. And keep on being strong. And keep on moving, Sissy. And God has a plan. Ngempilo yakho. I think I'm not even sure when you will be telling me with Mama Buma, you know, I'm here and here. Ngendlela impilo yakho zabe seyishifte ngakhona. You know, God's timing, it's always the perfect timing.
Exactly.
You know, okay, before we close, Sissy, what can you say to someone at home? You know, in short, verbatim, Uguti, yes, you said rise above your pain and all. And, you know, and you told us the coping mechanism and you said, wabona ukuthi hayile iyangilahla coping mechanism. So, you know, your last words to our people at home, what can you tell them?
Never detach yourself from uNkulunkulu.
Yes.
Ungalenzi iphuthelelo.
Okay.
Make sure ukuthi ubeka yena phambili.
Okay.
Nanoma kuzokufika lokho ukuthi awusakwazi ukuthandaza, you just kneel and cry. But inhliziyo yakho iyazi ukuthi he is the one and only person. Ngikekhe ngithi person, ngithi nguye yedwa ozokuthwalela imithwalo yakho. Akekho omunye. Akekho omunye.
Sure. Then, I don't know what to say. Yeah, roller coaster of emotions. And this is full proof that indeed God is our Savior. Indeed, God carries us through each and every situation. Psalm 23. I will never leave you. That's our God. Ndinom Gyantanda, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. To my OGs, thank you for being here. And remember, this season, we are going to mirror ourselves to see the reflection of our healing on the other side of the mirror. Yantanda Nokebakaya, thank you so much for going through with us all this hectic emotions zanamhlanje. Sisi just valelisa abantu bamba sekhaya. And if do you think uma ngabe kunomuntu ofuna ukuWhatsApp, you know, just to go through with you the emotions, do you mind? maybe umuntu afuna nje ukuthi hayi man sesitombi kongichasele kuhle, how did you go through that?
If ukhona umuntu othole something mhlambe angafuna a shoulder to lean on, ungafuna mhlambe ngikhulume naye ngokunye nje concerning i-loss and grief,
Yes.
angangithola ku WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 072 579 2637. Yes.
Ngiba uvalelisa abantu bethu basekhaya.
Ngiyabonga ukuba la. Ngibonge nje ukuthi uZimu ungithethe le kwaNdebele wangiletha la. Ngizokukhuluma namhlanje ngeloss yami. Sonke siyakudinga ukulila, kube nabantu esililela kibo. Noma ungaba strong kangangani. Kube naloyo muntu ozokuphi hug, akutshela ukuthi no kuzokulunga. So ngithokoza nalabo abazokubukela, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe.
Yes.
Ngiyakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Ngiyabonga nje.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
I hope your heart is less heavier. Okay. Thank you, mndeni wami. Take care. Love and light. Umama Puma. Bye.
Together we can do better. This is our lives. We better together. Let's heal.